Greetings, this is a bug report. Actually, it's a lack of service report. If you are purchasing a phone, an Intex phone, which is manufactured in India by the company Intex, you will not experience the best of service. Their phone systems, their email systems, are not being monitored, feedback systems are not being checked, and if you have problems with your Intex phone, don't expect service from Intex. FYI, this is what you get. Nobody's answering their emails. Thanks, and happy computing!